Time limit's 90 seconds.
Ben! Come on, Kenny, give it to me, baby. Come on, baby.
Our men of muscle may have met their match.
Foul.
And that foul is against George Friend. You can see those elbows draped over the ends of the bar. He's out of the competition. All of them trying to get added leverage. Lou Ferrigno has it away from the back of his neck and in his hands. Franco Colombo's taking it out of his mouth this time. Bruce Wilhelm, who won the first week, trying to grab 10 more points. Less than 30 seconds left. Now, if none of our strongmen can get the ends of that bar within at least 8 inches of each other, then whoever comes the closest would be judged the winner.
Come on, everything you got, man. That's it. Hit it. Push in.
Friend yelling encouragement to Patera. It's going to be up to Hal Conley and that yardstick to tell who won this. Lou Ferrigno, the winner. He picks up 10 points. Very nice job. What was the key to that? You were grunting and groaning and staying
I
ahead.
looked behind you. I saw a muscle guy. I said, God, mighty just help me. And he gave me the strength to do it.